मंत्री आणि आम्ही सगळे एक टीम म्हणून आम्ही काम करता. गोंय राज्याक सेफ दवरपाचो हो उद्देशान आम्ही पावलां घेतलेले आसा. हांव एक पयलीं सांगूंक सोदता गोंयचे जनतेक, कित्याक केन्ना केन्ना लोकांक दिसता की आमी कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट्स करता, पूण आमी म्हणजे आमचे जे पॉलिसी आनी आमी जे करूंक सोदता, पूण कितें आसा की आयज MHAचे गायडलायन्स जे येता, आमकां MHAचे गायडलायन्सचे अंडर वी हॅव गॉट मोर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन ऑर्डर टू टेक सर्टन स्टेप्स. एंड MHA गायडलायन्स हॅव बीन व्हेरी क्लियर. फेज 1 कितें ओपन जातले, फेज 2 and फेज 3. त्याच बरोबर वी हॅव रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कम्युनिटी अँड लोकल ट्रान्समिशन टू द ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. आयज कितें जालां, गोंयान मंगूर हिल अँड ह्या परिसरान there was a fisherman who was basically declared positive with COVID and confirmation test आम्ही तेजे केले गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान. आम्ही तेजे पूर्णपणे ट्रॅकिंग अँड ट्रेसिंग केल्ले आसा आनी कितें कितें ते कोणाकडे संपर्कान आयिल्लो. तेजी बायल जी आहा ती बी आता कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्ली आसा. आता त्या घरान आम्ही सगळे जर इतिहास घेतलो तो आंध्र प्रदेशच्यान जे कितें नुस्तें येता थंयच्यान तो कितें गोडावन खंय आशिल्ले थंयच्यान ते नुस्तें घेवन ही वॉज अ फिश सेलर. तेजे कडेन तेजे 3 भुरगे आशिल्ली. Though out of 3, 2 have come TrueNet positive. We have sent it for confirmation to Goa Medical College. Any moment, generally TrueNet and Goa Medical College, very rarely there is a difference. Now, one of the sons had a wife who's also pregnant. She's also come COVID positive. मंगुरा इलान थंय एक डॉक्टर आशिल्लो जे तांकां ट्रीट करतालो तो बी आतां कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह आयिल्लो आसा. आमकां दिसता की नाव एक वेगळ्या तरेचे स्टेप्स घेवपाची गरज पडटली, कारण आमी जर पळयल्यार हे लोक जे उलयतात आतापर्यंत डॉक्टर्स बी सगळे आमची पूर्ण टीम थंय आसा आणि आम्ही एक कंटेनमेंट झोन थंय करपाचो मुख्यमंत्री काय ब्रीफ केल्ले आसा. मुख्यमंत्री कडेन चर्चा केली आणि मुख्यमंत्री बी निर्णय घेतले आता की आमकां कितली एरिया थंय कंटेनमेंट झोन काय हॉटस्पॉट डिक्लेअर करपाची गरज आहा, म्हणजे आम्ही थंयचे ते सगळ्या लोकांक आम्ही टेस्ट करू शकता. आणि म्हणूनच हे अपडेट म्हणजे म्हणून परत परत हांव गोंयचे जनतेक सांगत आहा, आम्ही सेफ रावंक जाय जाल्यार तुमकां मास्क, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आनी इतर काही गोष्टी आनी सगळी माहिती हेल्थ ऑथॉरिटीक दिवपाची गरज आहा. कारण एक युनायटेड एफर्ट आणि युनायटेड एफर्ट एक वेगळ्या तरेन घेवंक जाय जाल्यार युनायटेड एफर्ट हॅज टू बी that we all work in tandem with each other with respect to the guidelines that we are laying down. If somebody is violating the quarantine, please inform us. If you have any information, if somebody has come from out and he is not been checked, bring it to the knowledge of the authorities. आम्ही आता आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा की स्वॉब्स बी सगळे बॉर्डरींतल्यान आमकां चेक करपाक, सगळ्या गोष्टी आमी करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. आयज आमी जशी आमची चर्चा चल्ल्या हेजे आमकां मातसो एक पयली फावट आमकां अशें दिसूंक लागला की खंय तरी लोकल ट्रान्समिशन थंय जाता आणि म्हणूनच ती एरिया कंटेनमेंट एरिया मुख्यमंत्री ठरयतले की थंय कंटेनमेंट कितली आमी एरिया कंटेन करूंक जाय, म्हणजे थंय कंप्लिटली एक हॉटस्पॉट म्हणून आमी डिक्लेअर करून प्रत्येक मनीस जे हॉटस्पॉटान थंय रावता म्हणजे ती एरिया एकदा डिक्लेअर केली जाता. अनलॉकिंग आणि हे लॉकडाऊनचो जो विषय जे हा जे मुवमेंट चालू जाता आणि तरेतरेचे गोष्टी ऍक्टिव्हिटीज ओपन जावंक लागता, त्याच तरेन ह्या तरेचे गोष्टी घटना घडू शकता. म्हणून आयज आम्ही जे निर्णय घेतले, मुख्यमंत्री हे निर्णय घेतले हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी आणि चीफ सेक्रेटरी कडे चर्चा करून की आम्ही कितली एरिया आम्ही कंटेन करू शकता. आणि माझे मत अशें आहा की कंटेन केल्यार प्रत्येक मनीस त्या कंटेनमेंट झोनान ताका चेक करचे पडटले आणि ह्याच तरेन आमकां पावलां घेवन फुडें वचूंक जाय. That whole family, it is about 6, that is including the doctor. First was the man who sells fish, his wife, his 2 sons, his daughter-in-law who was pregnant, and also the doctor who was treating them. So this is the thing. Till now, we cannot say that there's been any kind of local transmission or he got it from that particular interacting with the people who used to get fish from Andhra Pradesh and other areas. So basically what we are doing is what needs to be done in such situations is you need to declare a containment zone, and in that containment zone or you declare it a hotspot, whatever you call it, and then we need to do the testing and ramp up testing in that whole area, and every individual around those many number of houses you declare, as you declare, you test them so that exactly we'll come to know as to what extent this has spread. डॉक्टरान गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आमच्या डॉक्टराकडे धाडलेले त्या अनुसार तो पॉझिटिव्ह आयलो. तो जेन्ना पॉझिटिव्ह आयले, then we went to check his wife. Then there were 5-6 members living in the same house. Like I told you, there were 3 sons, 1 daughter-in-law, husband and wife. So as you went on testing, then we came to know that this is the situation and this is the way we have done the testing. We also found out that the doctor is positive, and hence as a result of which we were doing everything. As we speak, our whole team is there taking a stock of the situation, trying to find out what needs to be done. आणि अशी घटना जेन्ना घडटा, then we go backwards and go to see who are the people they have come in contact with, and this is the way we need to move forward. And ह्याच तरेन आम्ही टेस्ट करून आमकां जे पॉझिटिव्ह काही TrueNet पॉझिटिव्ह आयिल्ले आसा, कन्फर्मेशन टेस्ट पेंडिंग आहा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान, ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. चल्ल्या आमचे सगळे कडल्यान आमी हे कितें आहा ते म्हणटा ते जे कितें आमी पावलां घेतल्या सरकारान ह्याच तरेन वी आर एबल टू देन गो बॅकवर्ड्स अँड ट्रॅक एक्झॅक्टली वॉट हॅज ॲक्च्युअली हॅपन्ड. So now this analysis is happening and taking place by the doctors, a whole team, the deputy collector, everybody is on the spot. We need to contain it, and we need to test much more number of people in that area. He didn't travel anywhere. Basically, he's a fish seller. He's been selling fish for last so many years here in Mangur Hill. And I'm not saying even till now as we speak that there's community transmission or local transmission that has taken place. What I'm saying is that in order to prevent and in order to get to the bottom of it, you need to declare this area and some parts of this area as a containment area and a hotspot so that they are able to test a number of people around those houses whom he came in contact with, all these things. So, but naturally he would have come in contact with several people and hence it's necessary. And if so many people from his house have come positive, including the doctor was testing them, then there is a risk of certain amount of local transmission. So when we say local transmission, the localized transmission that is taking place that needs to be contained. For that, you require containment zone. If we have a containment zone, then we will be in a better position to see that we keep checks and balances. Once we do the ramp up testing in those areas and declare and check every person in the containment zone, then we will be able to come to an actual assessment, actually what is actually happening in Mangur Hill. Adopted in other states, the state government will have to put the officers in charge. Nobody will be able to move out of those containment zones, and it will be declared as a hotspot so that until people are tested and until we keep a containment zone for a particular period of time, and then we test each and every person within the containment zone, and this should be monitored by the deputy collectors and the respective police and other people from that particular area. As a result, so that the people within this zone, whichever is declared as a containment zone, which has to be decided, because for Goa, it's the first time. And till now, I'm telling you, we are trying to assess. We have still not come to a conclusion. We are still trying to assess. But this is the reality. These are the facts. And it is important for me as a health minister and my chief minister, both of our chief ministers will also brief the people of the state of Goa on what are the updates, what is happening, why people should be careful. That's why from time to time, under the guidance of the chief minister, we have been working very hard in order to see that Goa is safe. As you know, from the number of 66, 70, our cases have come down drastically. Again, because of these cases, it has gone up by another 6, 7. This is good. This up and down is going to continue for a period. But only what we were worried, and we are always worried, is that there should not be any kind of local transmission. There should not be any kind of community transmission. We are trying to assess it. Our doctors, epidemiologists, all are on the job. And I assure the people of the state of Goa that under the guidance of the chief minister, we are very clear that we want to maintain safety of the people. Containment zone will be decided by the chief minister, and also we will whether to declare it as a hotspot. I feel it is a good suggestion that it is a good thing that to declare this as a containment zone and test all the people within that area. Be very strict when such incidents happen so that we can curb any kind of community transmission.
तुम्ही आज म्हणतात की फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम प्रोबेबली ज्या दिसासावन हे सगळे लॉकडाऊन धरून सुरू झाला, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर वरीड that there can be community transmission, local transmission after finding out about this case?
Yeah, I am worried, and I am confident that I've got a very dynamic health secretary, Mrs. Neela Mohanan, and a whole team working under her. Our chief secretary also has been very proactive, and our chief minister has been very supportive and always guiding from time to time. I'm sure we all as a team will be able to curb this, but sometimes, giving updates and being very transparent with information with people is very important. We may make mistakes somewhere plus minus in these figures. The chief minister will also make a briefing. It's very important to see that things are done in a very transparent manner. People of Goa need to know the facts. People of Goa need to know the updates. People of Goa need to know what is actually happening in the state of Goa. And my appeal to every citizen of the state of Goa, as a health minister of the state of Goa, please be safe. Please do not take it for granted that COVID is all COVID is a virus which there's no solution to. We don't have any kind of a permanent solution. Like we know that people who have become negative are becoming positive again in different parts of the world. We want the economy to revive. We have to revive the economy parallelly. People have to have jobs. We cannot allow any job losses. We have already suffered. We see the economic reviews that come and economic updates that come, that crores of people are losing jobs, not only in our country, but globally. Hence, as a result of which we need to see, but then the government has to be very alert. There's tremendous, I actually appeal and ask God to give all of us the strength as a state to unitedly fight COVID-19 and pray to God to give the strength to our frontline workers not to get burnt out fast because they are also getting burnt out because of the load that is increasing time to time. As you open up as a small state of Goa, where we find that a lot of people are coming into the state of Goa because they feel Goa is safe. The same time, the risk also goes on increasing, but we are confident. We need economy to revive. Same time, these type of issues will happen. We will declare containment zones wherever required, wherever hotspots, whatever needs to be done with the Chief Minister's advice. We will take appropriate steps. But same time, I would like from your channel, because a lot of people feel that, why are we opening up? But we are opening up as per the MHA guidelines. And sometimes you need to open up. You need to open up because economic activity also is required. People have to also survive. Life and livelihood have to go hand in hand. And it's not very easy. It's a very difficult task. It's like walking at the edge. But it is important for us to do it, because otherwise the state revenue is getting affected. State's revenue is virtually down by about 70-80%. And then if this, it's not only state here, it's about nationally. We look at it, the collections are going down. If the collections are going, has to work along with the other departments and our disaster management team, which is headed by the Honorable Chief Minister. We have to work hand in hand to see that we complement each other and see that we take appropriate steps to keep Goa safe and protect Goa. ऑफिसर निर्णय घेतले, डॉक्टर निर्णय घेतले, कितले घराभोवती आमकां ते ताबडतोब पहिली फावट आमचे अनुभव आतापर्यंत तुमकां सांगला की असेसमेंट चालू आहा. ते घराभोवती इतली एरिया आमी जर कंटेनमेंट झोन केले, प्रत्येक व्यक्ती जो ते कंटेनमेंट झोनान ताका टेस्ट करचे पडटले, तेजे स्वॅब घेवचे पडटले, टेस्ट करचे पडटले. त्याच बरोबर आमकां हॉटस्पॉट्स आयल्यार वेगळ्या तरेचे टेस्टिंग करपाक बी आमकां विचार करचो पडलो की एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग करूंक जाय काय स्वॅबचो वापर करूंक जाय. हे सगळो प्रोटोकॉल जो आहा सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ थरयतली आणि सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ कडे हांव चर्चा करतलो. सकाळी मातशी चर्चा जाल्ली इन ब्रीफ. हांवें तिका सांगलेलें की बाबा आमी मुख्यमंत्री ब्रीफ करून आमी योग्य ते निर्णय घेवं शकता. जे आमचे हॉटस्पॉट्स असतात थंय हॉटस्पॉट्सान आमी वेगळ्या तरेचे सर्वेलन्स करूंक जाय तर आमी एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग बी करू शकता. तेजे काय हरकत ना. स्वॅब्स आमी जो वापर करता तेजो बी आमी टेस्टिंग करू शकता. ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. जे कितें लागता, ज्या तरेन आमी पळयता की गाडयेची संख्या वाडोवंक लागल्या, लोक भितर गोंय राज्यांत येवंक लागल्या, आमी जे कितें परिस्थिती पळोवन आमी त्या तरेचे आमचे फेसिलिटीज अपग्रेड करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. त्याच बरोबर गोंयचे जनतेक जे कितें लागता, जे कितें टेस्टिंग फेसिलिटीज रॅम्प अप करूंक जाय, हे सगळे फेसिलिटीज रॅम्प अप करून वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट द टेस्टिंग फेसिलिटीज वी डू नॉट फॉल बॅक ऑन एनी कायंड ऑफ टेस्टिंग फेसिलिटीज. जे खंय आमकां गरज पडटा एडिशनल नर्सीस घेवपाक, एडिशनल टेक्निशियन घेवपाक, एडिशनल मायक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट घेवपाक, हे सगळे घेवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आयज जेन्ना आमी रिक्रुटमेंटाचेर उलयता, रिक्रुटमेंट आयज कोविड-19 खातीर जे कितें लागता मुख्यमंत्रीन आयज पर्यंत ताका सहकार्य दिल्लें आसा. त्याच बरोबर आमी माझे एक अशें वेगळ्या तरेचें मत आहा की जेन्ना जेन्ना कितें येता त्या तरेन आमी गोंयचे जनतेक ब्रीफ करपाची गरज आहा, जे मुख्यमंत्री करता टायम टू टायम आनी सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ बी करता टायम टू टायम. पण कितें आहा की आमी सगळ्या लोकांक सांगूंक जाय की आमच्या तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की आमचे कडेन सगळे फेसिलिटीज आसा. आमचे कडेन सगळे फेसिलिटीज जे जाय ते गोंयानूच मॉलबिओ कंपनीचे मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग हब आहा. आमी ते मॉलबिओ कंपनी आयज तांकां सर्टिफिकेशन बी आयिल्लें आसा फॉर कन्फर्मेटरी टेस्ट. त्याच बरोबर आयज जशी चर्चा चल्ल्या, नवे आमचे मशीन एवॉर्ड्साचे मशीन तेजे इन्स्टॉलेशन चालू आहा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजात. थंय 450-500 24 वरां भितर आमी करूं शकता. आनी त्याच तरेन गोवा राज्य एक वेगळ्या तरेची दिशा घेवन, एक वेगळे तरेचे मेकॅनिझम घेवन we are doing our best to see that we have state-of-art facilities. We will not miss out on any cases, maybe few cases here and there because of the load factor, but we are ensuring that we are able to test every person that comes into the state of Goa, either by rail, by air or by road. And we are doing it, and the team is doing it very proactively. And kenna ashi jenna घटना घडटा and local transmission जो भय असता, containment zone declare करून आमकां त्या तरेची पावलां घेवंक जाय. But we are ready for any type of eventuality. Yes, it's a load on the system, but we will face it. Nothing to worry, because the MHA, that's the Ministry of Home Affairs, has given sufficient flexibility to the state to operate and to draw its own SOPs based on the health condition and situation. If you see, there is one line mentioned in the SOPs where the state government can put a capping on number of people coming into the state of Goa. And in this way, we'll have to see. Definitely industrial activity, industries, हे सगळ्या गोष्टी फुडें वचूंक जाय. त्याच बरोबर लायव्हलीहूडाचो विशय हा. लायव्हलीहूड एक वेगळ्या तरेन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसूंक जाय. इकॉनॉमिक त्याच बरोबर आमचें म्हणणें इतलें आसा की प्रत्येकानी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग पासून तरेतरेचे गोष्टी हे सगळ्याचेर विचार सारको करून हांव आयज बी पळयता की आमचे कडेन लोक मास्क घालनासतना भोंवतात. आयज लोक सॅनिटायझेशन, हँड सॅनिटायझर हे सगळ्या गोष्टीचो वापर करपाची गरज आहा. आयज खंय बसीन गेले तर तितके सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाची गरज आहा. कामाक गेले तितले सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाची गरज आहा. रेस्टॉरंट जर फाल्यां ओपन जाले, 8 जूनच्यान ओपन जातले, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगाची गरज आहा. त्यांचे एअर कंडिशन आम्ही FDA बी सांगलेले आसा, तुम्ही तुमचे सेपरेट SOPs हाडात म्हणजे जे कोण खंयचे रेस्टॉरंट आणि सगळे इटरीज एंड हॉटेल्स योग्य तरेचे सोशल डिस्टन्सिंगचे नॉर्म फॉलो करिना, सरळ लायसन्स त्यांचे कॅन्सल करून द्यात, शो कॉज नोटीस दिवन ऍक्शन घ्या. जे यंत्रणा हेल्थ ऍक्ट अँड एपिडेमिक ऍक्टचे अंडर आमच्याकडे हा, आम्ही त्याचो पूर्णपणे वापर करतलो. तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आयज हांव एक सटल अशें एक मेसेज दिवंक सोदता सगळे इटरीज एंड सगळे हांकां की तुमी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दवरून धंदो करात. तुमकां जर MHAन आयज गायडलायन इतलेच खातीर हाडल्या की एक्टिविटी जावंक जाय, लोकांक इन्कम जनरेशनाचे एव्हेन्यूज वाडपा जे बंद जाल्ल्यो ते चालू जावंक जाय. गोंय राज्याची इकॉनॉमी जे किक स्टार्ट करूंक जाय, मुख्यमंत्रीचे मार्गदर्शन सकयल किक स्टार्ट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न चालू आहा. पण त्याच बरोबर कित्याक आयज हांव हेल्थ आनी इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर आमचे मुख्यमंत्री आहात ते त्यांचे वेगळे तरेचे त्यांचे गायडन्स घेऊन फुडें वचपाची गरज आहा. पण एक लक्षात आमी घेवंक जाय, आमच्याकडे जे कितें यंत्रणा आहा तेजो यंत्रणा आनी आमच्याकडे सिस्टम्स आहा त्या सिस्टमाचो पूर्णपणे वापर करून आमी स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स आमी जाग्यार दवरतले. आणि FDAचे डायरेक्टराक बी आयज हांवें सांगलेलें आसा की तुमी स्ट्रिक्ट रावात. जे खंय सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग बी खंयचेच रेस्टॉरंट खंयचे हॉटेल फॉलो करचे ना, तर आमकां वेगळे तरेची पावलां भुमिका घेवची पडटली. लास्टाक गोंयचे जनतेचे सिक्युरिटी आनी सेफ्टी हेजेर आमकां लक्ष दवरूंक जाय. हांगा कसल्याच तरेचें राजकारण न हाडटा सगळे पक्ष आणि सगळ्या लोकांनी एकत्र येवपाची गरज आहा. राजकारण जे आहा ते COVID-19 नंतर आमी हे करू शकता, पण आयज गरज आहा की सगळे लोक एकत्र येवन हे COVID-19 टक्कर दिवपाक जाय. जाल्यार सगळे पक्ष पासून सगळे आमचे लिडर्स पासून सगळ्यांचे सजेशन घेवन एकत्र येवन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. moment we should restrict it based on the doctor's assessment and people's assessment as to what is being done is the area around a house and of this particular person, the containment zone. And as far as the containment zone is concerned, what is the decision of the containment zone in that particular area is how it is decided. What is the area they want to circulate around the person where he lives. And same time, we'll have to do a lot of tracing. People who have interacted will automatically will appeal also to them is to come forward and get themselves tested. This is the way forward. And in this way, we need to move forward. It is very important for us to move forward in this line. And containment zone for us also is a first time experience. So it's very important that we have the containment zone made. And the containment zone is a zone that is for the first time we will actually have protocols and SOPs for that. And that is being decided as we speak. So the secretary will take a final call on this, how it has to be done, in order to keep a tag on local transmission, because local transmission for the first time, this is a first experience for us. And we must see that we have strict protocols so that we do not allow it to spread in any way. You used to go to purchase fish from some godown, which the fish used to come from Andhra Pradesh. So there is a great tracking. So basically now what is the question? तो आता खंयच्यान नुस्तें घेतलो आनी खंयच्यान हे हाडटलो तो प्रश्न ना. तो प्रश्न इतलोच हा की त्या एरियान कंटेन करून आमकां चेकिंग करचें पडटलें, कारण तेजे मुवमेंट आसतले. ही मस्ट हॅव मूव्ड अराउंड इन डिफरंट एरियाज. So all this has to be tracked. So in order to get all these tracked, we need to see what needs to be done and how it needs to be looked at. What I've already mentioned to you through your medium is that we will be ensuring that strict measures are put in place. The measures have to be such that we check each and every person in the containment zone so that we are able to assess whether if there's been a spread, if there's been what type of transmission is there, or is there no transmission restricted only to this family, and as a result of which we need to figure it out that to what extent that containment zone has to be increased. If there, after testing everybody in the exact zone, which is may be decided by the secretary after having thorough discussion with the doctors, which she will take a decision, we will have to check everybody in that containment zone. If the containment zone is declared, if A is declared, then after checking them, we'll have to see if we find more cases, then the spread, the area has to be increased. As you just mentioned, Mangur is a very largely populated and densely populated area. As a result of which is a matter of great concern, and we will be taking it very seriously. Don't take anything for granted. Wear your mask, social distancing, move out only if required. If we have such cases coming up, and we have even a curfew which has been mentioned from 9 p.m. to 5 p.m. should be strictly followed. Any restaurant, anybody keeping the restaurants open beyond 9 and 5 p.m. will be taking strict action in these regards. We have to ensure that whatever the guidelines given by Government of India and whatever the SOPs as that is being put forward by the government of Goa has to be strictly adhered to. It is very important because ultimately we are talking about people's lives. We are talking about our own lives. Tomorrow anybody can get COVID. We don't want anybody to suffer. We must ensure that we take precautions, and we take the precautions in such a manner that we are able to keep the state safe. And the state can remain safe only if it's the united effort of the citizens that the government put together. And like I mentioned to you, is that the message to the people of Goa is that please understand that to every brother and sister of this state of Goa, even the children who I think in a better position to influence their parents, is that not to take anything lightly. We must ensure that we adhere to the rules. Mask घालपाची गरज हा, त्याचबरोबर आम्ही मास्क बरोबर सॅनिटायझर, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग हे 3 गोष्टी तर अत्यंत गरज हा. Curfew time 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. They should be strictly adhered to. There are reasons why these things, there are scientific reasons why these things are put forward. And if we do not follow this, don't take anything for granted. Wear your mask, social distancing, move out only if required. If we have such cases coming up, and we have even a curfew which has been mentioned from 9 p.m. to 5 p.m. should be strictly followed. Any restaurant, anybody keeping the restaurants open beyond 9 and 5 p.m. will be taking strict action in these regards. We have to ensure that whatever the guidelines given by Government of India and whatever the SOPs as that is being put forward by the government of Goa has to be strictly adhered to. It is very important because ultimately we are talking about people's lives. We are talking about our own lives. Tomorrow anybody can get COVID. We don't want anybody to suffer. We must ensure that we take precautions, and we take the precautions in such a manner that we are able to keep the state safe, and the state can remain safe only if it's the united effort of the citizens and the government put together. And like I mentioned to you, is that the message to the people of Goa is that please understand that to every brother and sister of this state of Goa, even the children who I think in a better position to influence their parents, is that not to take anything lightly. We must ensure that we adhere to the rules. Mask घालपाची गरज हा, त्याचबरोबर आम्ही मास्क बरोबर सॅनिटायझर, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग हे 3 गोष्टी तर अत्यंत गरज हा. Curfew time 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. They should be strictly adhered to. There are reasons why these things, there are scientific reasons why these things are put forward. And if we do not follow this, and if these things are happening, community, if there's some type of local transmission, or if there's anything like this is today in Manguril, it may happen tomorrow somewhere else. The problem is when it happens in densely populated areas like Manguril. That's the question of worry. As a result of which, each one of us should take care and take precautions and strictly follow the guidelines which are widely publicized by the government and by the television and the media and through your